Once upon a time in the vast green meadow of Meadowsville lived a little lion named Leo. Leo was known for his courage, but he was also known for another quality, kindness. Leo was the bravest little lion in Meadowsville, but he was also the kindest. He always shared his treats with his friends and helped those in need. One day, a group of birds nesting high up in the oak tree were in trouble. A storm was brewing, and their nest was swaying dangerously. Leo noticed the birds' plight and showed his kindness once again. He climbed up the oak tree with great courage and carefully rescued the birds. The birds were grateful and thanked Leo for his bravery and kindness. From that day forward, they promised to sing beautiful songs every day to show their appreciation. As the storm passed, the birds' songs filled the air, making the meadow a peaceful and musical place. Leo, the brave little lionheart, had not only shown courage but also taught everyone the importance of kindness. And so, the story of Leo, the brave little lionheart, was told again and again in Meadowsville, reminding everyone to be brave and kind. The end.